Okay, so that is solution number 2, and I think it's a good one. As always, consult with your fund formation lawyers and compliance consultants about what might be the best solution for your funds, especially on this next point, which might be a little controversial. Basically, the SEC is saying that even though we delivered a 14% net IRR to LPs, we can't show the 14% because it benefits from the use of a subline. But that subscription line also has a cost in the form of interest. Given the subline balances on the right, the interest might add up to about $4 million if the rate was around 5%. Now, I think it's reasonable to ask, if we're adjusting our model to remove the subline's benefit, shouldn't we also adjust it to remove the subline's cost and perhaps add back that interest as if it was a distribution? We can do that by moving these interest payments over to the left, providing a new set of subline and interest-adjusted net to LP cash flows, which increase the DPI to 0.871, increase the TVPI to 1.429, and also increase the net IRR to 12.88%. So that is something to think about, but I do recommend that you consult with your legal and compliance teams about whether adding back that interest is the right thing for you.